depends. If the motorcycle there's a few damage, you need to pay that.
Oh yeah, which is ridiculous. If there's damage on it, then you have to pay for the damage. Thanks for that, babe. I forgot about that. But as you can see, they do sell second-hand vehicles as well. Look at the tyres on them. You can see they've been well driven. I think if I were looking for a second-hand one, I'd probably look at this one here, which is similar to the one outside. But I think these have the round headlights, don't they? This is the old version. Oh no, still not the newer version though.
I don't know.
But some of these don't have aircon as well,
think
guys.
this one is the second hand?
Do I think these are second hand?
Yeah.
Well, I'll take a stab in the dark now. So this business has got loads of bikes, as you can see, guys. I don't recommend you buying a second-hand bike, like I said, because they are very, very abused.
Yeah.
Unless, you know, it's high-end market where somebody with a lot of money's bought a 400cc above, the chances are that the bike's going to be looked after, because if they've got that kind of money, servicing it and looking after it. But what you normally find is they get a bike and they start altering things and adding accessories to it, and before you know it, the bike just looks ridiculous. Whereas me, I want the bike to look original, apart from maybe a few nice coloured lights on it. But this is where all the new stuff is stored, look. Oh, there's more second-hand vehicles back there. But I wouldn't... No, I'm not going to say that. Best not say that. I wouldn't go for a new vehicle. If you can get something like maybe, and I'm on about a van, something like this, no more than 2 years old. But bear in mind that you're not going to pay much less than if the van was new. I don't know how they work it out, how they come to them prices, but those are the prices. These must have just come because they're not dusty, look. But that's a 150cc there, look. And this is the type that they use on the trikes. Minimum of 150. The 100s are not powerful enough. So here's an example, look. Mel's in the way, thanks Mel. Here's an example as what I mean. This is a 150cc, that similar to the one I've just shown you, and it's got a cab on it.
Yeah. Not for sale.
Not for sale. There you go. I don't like the sidecar on it anyway.
It's very low.
Colour's not very good, is it? Green.
Ask Kuya.
So let's go back up and see if she's off a break. And I want to thank the owners or the manager for letting us look round in video. Thank you very much. I don't know the manager's name, or I'd say his name. So I guess this guy's the head mechanic, and this is where the bikes are brought to be serviced and what have you. You get a year's warranty with the bike. You've got to go through the service schedule to keep the warranty. Which, listen guys, I'm telling you now, even if you had to pay for a major service, it's nothing. You'll not pay any more than 1,000 pesos, 1,200 max for a major service. It is so cheap when you've got a motorbike, even with cars.
Very cheap.
Very cheap, very cheap. So I'll wait for the girl and we'll have a look at a few more bikes, see if we can get some prices for you. Don't be shy. This is the beautiful Janine. Are you single, Janine?
No, sir, I'm married.
Oh, that's so sad. So this is lovely Janine. She's going to help us with the prices. She's wrote some down. So I've she didn't want to come round with me, but I've gone and hooked her into it because I've started the camera. So let's have a look at this one first then, Janine. It's the Rusi
It's Rusi TC 175 Macho.
175 Macho,
175cc, sir.
175cc,
The amount is 45,000.
just 45,000 for a 175cc. Could you get that back in the West? Not a chance. So this one,
This one
Janine,
is also TC 175 Macho, sir.
that's the
As
same.
is.
Right, this is a 150.
This is TC 150 Macho, sir.
Yeah.
150cc, the amount is 43,000.
43, so you might as well get the 175, haven't you?
Maybe if you buy a cash, there has a discount.
Oh, yes.
Is the
Yeah.
what discount would you get for cash on say the one just for the 175?
Okay, it's at least 43,000, less 2,000 discount. If cash.
2,000
Cash basis,
discount, 43,000. My God! What about this one? Because this is similar to what your brother's got, but is it Suzuki, your brother's? Yeah. Now, a brother's was it was stupid money. It was 85,000, wasn't it?
Installment. I think 3 years.
Yeah, installment. So he'll pay for 2 bikes by the time he's finished. So this is
This is the DL150 Goblin, sir. 150cc, the amount is 45,000, sir.
45,000, and her brother paid 85 for a similar looking bike. It practically identical. Now we'll go on to the scooters. Now scooters are, you know, very popular in the Philippines. Most people get the scooters, one because there's not much chrome on them and stuff. There's not a lot to go wrong on them. Keep them clean, they're reliable, and they're cheap. So the scooter then, Janine.
This, sir, is MP100, sir.
MP100.
Cash price is 35,000, sir.
35,000.
Can you buy me 35,000?
Yeah, if you want to kill yourself, I'll get you a scooter now. She keeps on about getting her a scooter, or electric, or something like that. I mean, oh my God. So these are the same as what you've just told me. Now look at this, guys. This reminds me of the Royal Enfields from the UK, or the Bonneville. Now this is a 250cc, and it's how much is it?
80,000, sir.
80,000. Is that the cash price?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
If cash, at least we give 2,000 less.
Right. So it looks like on the whole you'll get 2,000 knocked off. So that's it, guys. I think that's it. I don't know what this one is, but it's not. I don't think it's a Rusi. Oh, it might be. It's been done up because you can smell the paint. It's been repainted and stuff. It's got a hole in the seat, so it's not new. So there you go, guys. I'll leave you with the favourite bike of mine, and that's the Rusi 150. It's a beautiful bike. Look at it. So this bike, you'll get it for 50,000 cash. 50,000 pesos, guys. Just have another quick look at the black one. Black and green. There's the black one. 80,000 for that. That looks like the Royal Enfield. No, I don't like it. It looks like something my granddad used to drive. So that's lovely. That's lovely. So to finish, guys, I would highly recommend you come to this business. It's in Conception. It's in Conception, and they've got a massive amount of bikes, as you've seen. They're all, I mean, my God, it's for nothing. You can get a bike for 35,000 pesos, a scooter.
Yeah, it's cheaper.
I mean, it's just amazing. I can't recommend this place enough. And again, K-Cervico, different type of bike, very good quality bikes, good value for money.
If you're gonna compare for this and then the Kawasaki, because it's a branded, you know what I mean? It's a branded.
Yeah, look, like most things in this world, they're all made in India and China and all the rest of the places. A lot of the time you're paying for the brand, not for the actual quality of the item. You know that from buying training shoes. It doesn't mean because you buy a pair of Adidas they're going to last any longer than something you pay $10 for. So I'll put the dollar price when I give you the wait a minute, when I give you the peso price, guys.
There's no scooter.
Huh? Scooters are there, like. Yeah. Huh?
How much?
35,000.
Oh, if it's cash pa, maybe it's gonna be more price.
You might get another couple of thousand knocked off that. Yeah, 33,000. Now, you'll kill yourself. I wouldn't trust you on a. What you like on a push bike, eh? My God, you're all over the place.
I want push bike. Just only know I know the chair. But if I hire,
I might get you electric trike one day. What about that? Yeah. So that's it. It's over to my baby.
Please hit the like button and please subscribe and share our videos. Bye guys.
Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed it.
Yeah.
Walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight.